Hello girls. So see, we have studied the use of joint bar diagrams and subdivided bar diagrams to compare information from the given data. Okay. Today, let's learn about the percentage bar diagram. The percentage bar diagram is a type of subdivided bar diagram in which the given data is converted into percentage before being represented as a subdivided bar diagram. Understood?
Yes.
Information about two or more entities can be shown using a subdivided or percentage bar diagram. Okay? Let's study this with an example. Now, observe this table. This table provides us the data of total number of boys and girls in 9th standard in a school for different divisions. Now, using this information, we have to create a percentage bar diagram. To create a percentage bar diagram, we need to convert this data into percentages first. Okay, so now how will we do that? So let's see here. Now, as per the division, we will write down the number of boys and number of girls, and as per that, we will try to find out the percentage of girls as compared to the total number of students in that particular division. Now see, for example, in Raigad division, there are 26 girls and a total of 24 plus 26 equal to 50 students. Now, to find the percentage of girls, we will calculate as per the formula number of girls in the division divided by total number of students in that division multiplied by 100. So that's why for Raigad division we get 26 divided by 50 into 100 equal to 52%. Now for Rajgarh division, we have 22 boys, 28 girls. Therefore, the percentage of number of girls would be 28 divided by total is 50 into 100, which gives us 56%. Now for Torna division, we have 26 boys, 26 girls. Therefore, the percentage of number of girls would be 26 divided by total number 52 into 100, which gives us 50%. And now for Sinhagad division, we have 22 boys, 33 girls. Therefore, the percentage of number of girls would be 33 divided by total is 55 into 100 equal to 60%. So now using this information, let's draw a percentage bar diagram. So now first let's draw the y-axis and the x-axis. This is the intersection. Let's name it as O. Now first let's determine the scale as 1 centimeter equal to 10% on y-axis. Now on the y-axis, let's mark numbers from 10, 20 to 100 as per the scale. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now on the x-axis, let's write the names of the 4 divisions at equal intervals. So here it is. Raigad, Rajgarh, Torna and Sinhagad. Now let's mark the percentage of the number of girls with the symbol of slanted lines and the percentage of number of boys with blank symbol. Now here is one very important thing to be noted. See, the total height of each bar will always be 100% according to the scale on the y-axis. Now we have calculated the percentage of the number of girls in each division. Now let's mark the portion representing the percentage of girls with slanted lines, and the remaining part will represent the percentage of boys, which we will keep unmarked. Okay, so now we are done with this graph. So see, we can represent information about two or more than two entities using a subdivided or percentage bar diagram. Okay, now let's go with another example. Yes, now see this table first. This table shows the number of female and male voters in 4 villages. Based on this data, let's draw a percentage bar graph. Now, as per this data, we have to calculate the percentage of female voters with respect to the total number of voters in each village. Would you be able to do that?
Okay. Village name Rampur. Number of female voters 4,800. Number of male voters 5,200. Percentage of number of female voters as compared to the percentage of total voters. 4,800 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 48%. Sitapur. Number of female voters 5,400. Number of male voters 4,600. Percentage of number of female voters as compared to the percentage of total voters. 5,400 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 54%. Lakshmanpur. Number of female voters 5,400. Number of male voters 6,600. Percentage of number of female voters as compared to the percentage of total voters. 5,400 divided by 12,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 45%. Bharatpur. Number of female voters 6,500. Number of male voters 6,000. Percentage of number of female voters as compared to the percentage of total voters. 6,500 divided by 12,500 multiplied by 100 is equal to 52%. Let us draw the x-axis, y-axis and the origin O on a graph paper. Let us determine the scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 10% on the y-axis. Let us write the symbols for female and male voters below the scale. Then let us mark numbers from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 up to 100 on the y-axis according to the scale. Then let us write the names of the villages at equal intervals on the x-axis. Rampur, Sitapur, Lakshmanpur, Bharatpur. Let us draw the bars with a height of 100% according to the scale on the y-axis. Let us mark the portion representing female voters according to the percentage calculated using slant lines. The remaining portion of the bar represents male voter, which is determined by a blank portion. Dada, have a look at this.
Well done! You have drawn the percentage bar diagram accurately. Now let's see one more example. Now observe this percentage bar diagram. Analyze it. I'm going to ask you a few questions based on this. You have to answer them. Okay? Let me ask you the first question. Tell me which blood group has the highest number of students?
The blood group O has the highest number of students.
Correct. Perfect. Now tell me In the Godavari division, there are 23 students with O blood group. What is the total number of students in this division?
"46 divided by 100 multiplied by x is equal to 23. X is equal to 23 into 100 divided by 46, which is equal to 50. There are 50 students in Godavari division."
Well done, you answered it correctly. Okay, now next question. Now tell me, in the Krishna division, there are 2 students with blood group AB. How many students we have with blood group A?
5% of the students in Krishna division have the blood group AB. Let the total number of students be Y. 5% of Y is equal to 2. Therefore, 5 divided by 100 multiplied by Y is equal to 2. Therefore, Y is equal to 2 multiplied by 100 divided by 5 is equal to 40. Therefore, total number of students in Krishna division is 40. 20% of students in this division have blood group A. 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 40 is equal to 8. There are 8 students with blood group A in Krishna division.
Perfect, that is absolutely correct. Next question. Tell me, in the Kaveri division, total number of students is 60, correct? Now tell me, how many students have blood group B in this?
25% of students have blood group B. 25% of 60 is equal to 60 into 25 divided by 100, which is equal to 15. The answer is 15.
Perfect. Well done. Great. Now both of you have understood the percentage bar graph very well. Okay. Now keep practicing this and solve more examples similar to this. Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Perfect. We'll meet again. What did we learn? To create a percentage bar diagram, the given data is converted into percentages before drawing a subdivided bar diagram. Information about 2 or more entities can be represented using a subdivided or percentage bar diagram. Exercise. The number of flowering plants planted by students in 8th, 9th and 10th standards in the school garden is shown in the table below. Draw a percentage bar diagram based on this data. 8th standard students have planted 10 rose plants, 18 hibiscus plants and 12 jasmine plants. 9th standard students have planted 20 rose plants, 15 hibiscus plants and 15 jasmine plants. 10th standard students have planted 24 rose plants, 12 hibiscus plants and 24 jasmine plants. Observe the diagram and answer the following questions. In which library are Marathi books the most abundant? In which library are English books more than Marathi books? If library B has a total of 1800 books, how many of them are Marathi books? In which library is the number of Marathi and English books the same?